In today's video, I'm going to teach you some essential Google Calendar tips and tricks that will enhance your productivity and make collaboration smoother with anyone you work with. Google Calendar is a versatile tool that can help you manage your schedule more effectively. And I'm excited to walk you through a few simple steps that will maximize its capabilities for you. To start, let's dive into the settings of your calendar. Open up Google Calendar on your computer and look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of your calendars. Find the calendar you want to adjust. Typically, it's your primary calendar with your name on it, and click on the three vertical dots next to it to reveal additional options. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a page full of customization options for your calendar, allowing you to tailor it to your personal or professional needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Access Permissions. This area is crucial if you need to share your calendar with others, like team members, clients, or friends. Here, you'll see an option labeled Make Available to Public. Be cautious with this setting. Only enable it if you're comfortable with anyone who has the link being able to view your calendar. This can be incredibly useful for public events or for workspaces that require transparency. But remember that by making it public, there are no restrictions on who can see it. Use this setting thoughtfully to balance accessibility with privacy. After deciding on your privacy settings, you're ready to share your calendar with specific people. Under the same Access Permissions section, there's an option to Get Shareable Link. Click this to generate a URL that you can then send via email or through any messaging platform you prefer. This link will give the recipients access to view your calendar in the way you've specified. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature, perfect for when you want to ensure colleagues are aware of key dates or keep family members posted on your availability. These simple steps can make a significant difference in how you utilize Google Calendar. By adjusting settings and making strategic use of sharing features, you can keep everyone on the same page and ensure that your scheduling is as efficient as possible. Whether you're planning a series of meetings, organizing family events, or simply managing your own time, these tips will help you do it smarter. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make the most of one of the greatest time management tools out there. Thank you for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks that will help streamline your digital life. See you next time.